Children, welcome to Math Park. Let us solve part 2 of exercise 20C. That is, we are going to solve question number 14 to 25 in this video from the chapter area and perimeter of plane figures, class 9 ICSE, the book Concise Selena. Question number 14, there are two circular gardens A and B. You have two circular gardens A and B. Say this is your garden A and this is your garden B. And the circumference of garden A is 1.760 kilometers. So let us take this as radius as R1 and radius of this garden as R2. So you are given the circumference of the garden A is 1.6760. So we have 2 pi R1 is equal to 1.76 kilometers. This 0 I need not write. So from that, let us first find the radius. So 2 in times 22 by 7 into R1 is 176 by 100. So you get R1 is equal to 176 by 100 times 7 goes up 2 into 22. 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are you get 88. 22 4s are and 4 1s are and 4 25s are. So you get the radius of the first circle as 7 upon 25. You get the radius of the first circle as 7 upon 25 kilometers. Okay, so let us keep this as it is. And then they say that the area of garden B is 25 times the area of garden A. So area of garden B, which is pi R2 square and which is equal to 25 times the area of the garden A, which is pi R1 square. So this pi and pi got cancelled. So you have R2 square is equal to 25 times R1 is 7 by 25, which we will write twice, 7 by 25 into 7 by 25. This 25 got cancelled. So this is 7 times 7 is 49 upon 25. So you get R2 is equal to root of 49, which is 7, and root of 25, which is 7 upon 5. So this is your R2 radius of the second circle is 7 by 5 kilometers. Okay. Now you are asked to find the circumference of garden B. So let us now find the circumference of garden B. So circumference of garden B is equal to 2 pi R2. So which is 2 times 22 by 7 into R2 is 7 by 5. So this got cancelled. So we have 2 times 22 is 44. 44 by 5. Let us make the decimal. So it is easy if you multiply by 2. 44 times 2 is 88 and 88 by 10 is 8.8 kilometers is the circumference of the garden B. Moving to question number 15. A wheel has a diameter 84 centimeters. How many complete revolutions must it make to cover 3.168 kilometer? Now 84 centimeter and this is a kilometer. So remember, if it is a diameter is given as 84 centimeter and the distance is given as 3.168 kilometers. So to convert kilometer to meter, you multiply by a lakh. So it is 3168 and multiply by a lakh. So 50. So 00 centimeter. Then you are asked to find how many revolutions. So you have circumference into number of revolutions. Number of revolutions, you get the distance is equal to distance covered. So let us put the values here. So you have, if you have to find the number of revolutions, so number of revolutions is equal to distance covered, distance divided by circumference. So let us put the distance is 3.16800 centimeter divided by circumference, which is pi d. that is 22 by 7 into 84. So 7 12s are 84. So this becomes 316800 into the reciprocal of this, which is 1 upon 22 times 12. So this can be simplified. 7 12s are 84. So you get this as 316800 into 1 upon 22 times 12. So if you divide 316800 if you divide by 22, 22 ones are, and you get 22 ones are, 22 fours are 88, 22 fours are 88, again 0. So you get 14400, and 14400 divided by 12, 12 12s are 144. So it is 1200 revolutions, complete revolutions are required to cover the distance of 3.168 kilometers. Got it? Moving to the next question, that is question number 16. Each wheel of a car is of a diameter 80 centimeter. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? So as we know that number of revolutions is equal to distance divided by the circumference. So let us find the distance first. So you have speed is equal to distance upon time. So distance is equal to speed into time. So speed is 66 kilometer and time kilometer per hour, and time is given in 10 minutes. So 10 minutes is equal to 10 upon 60 hours. So simplify 6 11s are. So distance is 11 kilometer. Now the diameter is given in centimeters. So 11 kilometers is equal to 11 lakh centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 11 lakh centimeter. And the diameter of the wheel of a car. So diameter is given as 80 centimeter. Now we know that the number of revolutions is equal to distance divided by circumference. So distance is 11 lakh centimeter divided by circumference, which is pi d, that is 22 by 7 into diameter is 80 centimeter. So this becomes 11 lakh into 7 goes up and 22 times 80 comes down. So we have 11 twos are 22 and 11 1 2 3 4. You get 10,000 when you divide 11,000 by 11. So 2 ones are and 2 fives are. So you get 5,000 when you divide 10,000. And then 5,000 if you divide by 8. 5,000 divided by 8. 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48. 8 twos are 16 and 8 fives are 40. So you get 625. Now 625 multiplied by 7, 625, you multiply by 7, you get this as 4,375 revolutions are needed in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at the speed of 66 km per hour. Got it? An express train is running between two stations with a uniform speed if the diameter of each wheel is 42 centimeters. So you know that the diameter of each wheel is equal to 42 centimeter and the wheel makes 1200 revolutions. So if it makes 1200 revolutions, first let us find the distance. So you know that the distance is equal to circumference multiplied by number of revolutions. So it is circumference multiplied by number of revolutions. The circumference is pi d, which is 22 by 7, and the diameter is 42, and the number of revolutions are 1200. 7 6 are 42, and 22 times 6 is 22 times 6, 22 into 6, and multiplied by 1200, you get this as 158,400, that is in centimeter. And now let us convert this into kilometer. We know that converting into kilometer, you need to divide by a lakh. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, which becomes 1.584 kilometers. So this is how we got the distance now. Now we need to find the speed. Now speed is equal to distance divided by time. Now time is given in minutes, which we need to convert into hours. So distance is 1.584 kilometer divided by time, which is 1 minute, and 1 minute is 1 upon 60 hours. So which is 1.584 times 60. So 1.584 multiplied by 60 times 60, you get this as 95.04 kilometer per hour is the speed of the train. Got it? So at 8:30, the minute hand is going to go at 6. And the minute hand, the length of the minute hand is the radius of this circle, which is 8 centimeter. At 9:05, it is going to go over here. So how many minutes are being covered? So we have to see the area swept in 35 minutes. This is 35 minutes. So this can be done by area of sector, but you haven't learned yet. So in 35 minutes. Now minute hand will take one complete revolution. Okay. So in 1 minute, in one complete revolution, if it has to take, so it will complete, that means in 60 minutes, it will make the area of pi r square. Okay. So in 1 minute, it will make the area of pi r square divided by 60. And we have to find the area covered in 35 minutes. So 35 minutes, it will be pi r square. So area, we can say that the area swept by minute hand. So area swept by minute hand in 35 minutes. Minute hand in 35 minutes is equal to 35 times pi r square. It should be 35 times pi r square upon 60. So let us solve this. 35 pi is 22 by 7. The radius is 8 centimeter. So 8 times 8. And there is 60 over here. So 35. We have 4 2s are 8 and 4 15s are 15 and 35 can be divided by 5. 5 3s are and 5 7s are. This 7 and 7 got cancelled. So we now have 22 times 2 is 44. 44 into 8. 44 into 8. 8 4s are 32. 3. 8 4s are 32 plus 3 is 35. And 352 divided by 3. 352 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3 again. So you get 2 and then 2 3 7s are 21. And so we get this as 117 1 by 3 centimeter square is the area swept by the minute hand from 8:30 to 9:05 am. Got it? So what did we do? In 60 minutes, it will cover the complete area of a circle, which is pi r square. In 1 minute, it will cover pi r square by 60. In 35 minutes, it will do 35 into pi r square by 60. This is how we got 117 1 by 3 centimeter square is the area swept. Shaded portion of the given figure alongside shows two concentric circles. The radius of the outer one is capital R and the small one is R. If the circumference of two circles be 396 and 374, that means circumference of the bigger one, that is 2 pi R is equal to 396. So let us find this radius first. We have to find the area of the shaded portion is going to be the area of the outer circle minus area of inner circle. So 2 times 22 by 7 into R is equal to 396. So you get R is equal to 396 multiplied by 7 upon 22 into 2. So let us simplify this. 2 1s are 2. 2 9s are 18. And 2 8s are 16. We got it as 198. Now 198 if you divide by 11. So you get 11 2s are 11, 1s are 11 and 11 8s are 88. So you get 88. And then 2 9s are 18 and 9 7s are 63 centimeter is the radius of the bigger circle. Now let us find the radius of the smaller circle. You are given the circumference of the smaller one is 374. So 2 pi r is equal to 374. So 2 times 22 by 7 into R is equal to 374. So you get R is equal to 374 upon 2 times 22, and this 7 goes up. Again, let us divide this by 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 carry 1 7, 2 8s are 16, and 2 7s are 14. So we got 187. Now 187 is divisible by 11. So you have 11 twos are and 11 ones are 11, and 18 minus 11 is 7. 11 sevens are 17 upon 2. So the radius of the circle is 17 times 7 upon 2. We got this radius as 59.5 centimeter. Now you are asked to find the area of the shaded portion. So we find area of shaded portion. Area of shaded portion is equal to area of outer circle, that is pi r1 square, sorry, pi r square minus this small r square. So which is pi taken common, we have r square minus r square, which is 22 by 7 into you have 63 square minus 59.5 square. So this is 22 by 7. Let us use this as 63 plus 59.5 into 63 minus 59.5. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So you have 63 plus 59.5, which is 122.5. So this we get here as, this is 22 by 7 into 122.5, and 63 minus 59.5, you get this as 3.5. So 7, if I divide by 3.5 by 7, I get 0.5. Let us multiply this. 22 times 120, 22 times 122.5 times 0.5, you get this as 1347.5 centimeter square. The given figure, you are given the area of the shaded portion is 770. If the circumference of the outer circle is 132. So circumference of the outer circle, that is 2 pi r, is equal to 132. So 2 times 22 by 7 into r is equal to 132. So you get r is equal to 132 into 7 upon 2 times 22. So if I divide this by 11, 11 ones are 11, and you get 20, 11 twos are 22, and this is twos are 2 ones are, and 2 6 are 12, and 2 ones are, and 2 threes are 6. 3 times 7 is 21 centimeter is the radius of the outer circle. Now, if we are able to find the radius of the inner circle, so the difference between the radii is nothing but the width of the shaded portion. So you are given the area of the shaded portion is 770 centimeter square. So which is area of outer circle minus area of inner circle is given as 770. Let us take this pi common. So we have r square minus r square is equal to 770. So this is 22 by 7 into radius of first circle is 21 square minus r square is 770. So let us take this 22 by 7 here. 21 square is 441 minus r square is equal to 770 into 7 upon 22. 11 twos are and 11 sevens are, so 7, this is 11 sevens are 77, 770. So this is 72 divided by 70 divided by 2 is 35. 35 times 7, 35 times 7, 7 fives are 35, 3 carries, 7 fives are 35, 7 threes are 21 plus 3, 24, 245. So if I take this r square here, so 441 and 245 goes there, minus 245 is equal to r square. So you get r square is equal to 441 minus 245 is 196. So r is equal to root of 196, that is 14 centimeter. So the width of the shaded portion. So width is equal to the radius of the outer circle minus radius of the smaller, that is 21 minus 14, which is 7 centimeter. Got it? Fencing a circular field. So circular field fencing means we need to know the circumference. So cost of fencing a circular field at a rate of 240 per meter. That means circumference multiplied by a rate, you get the cost which is 52,800. So circumference is 2 pi r times 240 is equal to 52800. So you get 2 times 22 by 7 into r is equal to 52800 upon 240. So you get R is equal to 52800 into 7 upon this is 240 into 2 into 22. So let us simplify this. So if I divide by 4, 4 6 are 24, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 132 I get, 132 and this 0. So dividing again by 6, I get 6 2s are 12 and 1 2 6 2s are 12, 220 I'm getting if I divide by 6, and 22 10s are, and then we have 2 5s are 10. So 7 5s are 35 centimeter, sorry 35 meter is the radius of the circle. Now you are asked to find the cost of plowing the field. That means it is area. This is the part where it is to be plowed. So the cost of plowing the field is equal to area multiplied by rate. Area multiplied by rate. So area is pi r square multiplied by the rate, which is 12.50. This is the cost. So let us simplify this. So pi is 22 by 7. Radius is r, that is 35. So 35 into 35. This I can make it as 125 by 10. So let us simplify. 7 5s are 35. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 2 11s are. Multiply this 11 into 35 into 125. So find the product of 11 times 35 times 125. You get this as 48,125. So rupees 48,125 is the cost of plowing the circular field. Got it? Two circles touch externally each other and the sum of their area is 58 pi and the distance between their centers. So this is O and this is O dash. So distance between their centers is 10 centimeter. So if I take the radius of the smaller one as R, so this becomes 10 minus R because distance O dash is 10 centimeter. Find the radii of two circles. So what is the given condition? That the sum of their areas. So we have pi r square plus pi 10 minus r square is equal to 58 pi. Sum of their areas is given as 58 pi. So taking pi common, we have r square plus 10 minus r square is going to be 100 minus 20r plus r square is equal to 58 pi. This pi gets cancelled. So we have 2r square minus 20r plus 100 minus 58. This 58 goes here is equal to 0. So we have 2r square minus 20r plus 42 is equal to 0. Dividing throughout by 2, you get r square minus 10r plus 21 is equal to 0. Find the factors of 21. So we have 7 3s are 21. So minus 7 times minus 3 is 21. So the factors are r minus 7 and r minus 3 is equal to 0. So if r minus 7 is equal to 0, you get r is equal to 7. And if r minus 3 is equal to 0, you get r is equal to 3. So the radii of this circle are 7 and 3. So you can say that the radii of these two circles are 7 and 3. For the bigger one, it is 7. So if I take r is equal to 3, the smaller circle, the radius is equal to 3, and for the bigger circles, the radius is equal to 7. So this is how we got the radii of the two circles as 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Got it? Question number 23, the given figure shows a rectangle inscribed. So if I draw this diagonal AC, and we know that angle in a semicircle is a right angle, so this becomes a diameter. So AC becomes a diameter. Now you are given AB is 28 centimeter and BC is 21. So let us find the AC by Pythagoras theorem. So you get by Pythagoras theorem, you get AC is equal to 28 square plus 21 square root of this. So which is, you get 28 square is 784 plus 21 square is 441. So add this 784 plus 441. So you get this as 1225 root of 1225. So square root of 1225, you get square root of 1000. Square root of 1225 is 35. So this is how you got this AC as 35 centimeter. So we got this AC as 35 centimeter. Now, if we got AC as 35 centimeter, then we get the diameter of a circle as 35. So the radius is going to be 35 by 2. So the radius of the circle. So radius of circle is equal to 35 upon 2 centimeter. Let us keep this as it is. Now you are asked to find the area of the shaded portion. So area of shaded portion is equal to area of circle minus area of circle minus area of rectangle. So area of a circle is pi r square, which is 22 by 7 into r, which is 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. Radius is 35 by 2 minus area of a rectangle is 28 times 21. So let us simplify. We have 7 5s are 35, 2 11s are 22, and again we have 11 5s are 55 into 35 upon 2. So let us simplify this, and this is 28 into 21. 11 5s are, so let us take 2 1s are, and you get here as 2.5. Now multiply this. You have 11 into 2.5 into 35, you get this as 962.5 minus, you have 28 times 21, length into breadth is the area of a rectangle, which is 588. Now let us subtract this. 962 minus 962.5 minus 588. 962.5 minus 588, we get this as 374.5 square centimeter is the area of the shaded portion. Number 24, a square is inscribed in a circle of radius 7 centimeters. So you are given a circle, and inside that a square is inscribed. So you know that the radius of the circle is given as 7 centimeters. So there, and this is, since this is going to be, each angle of a square is right angle. So the diameter is nothing but the diagonal of a square. Diameter is nothing but the diagonal of a square. So this is going to be 7 plus 7, that is 14. So 14 centimeter is the diameter. Now let us find the side of a square. Let us take the side of a square as x and x. You are asked to find the area of a square. So did you understand that how the diameter is 14? So to find the side of a square, now area of a square is nothing but the side of a square. So area of square, let us make it very short, is equal to x square. And how do you get x square? So you get x square plus x square. This is x square. And now by Pythagoras theorem, let us write, we have x square plus x square is equal to 14 square. Because the diameter is 14 here. This is 14. So 2x square is equal to 14 square is 14 times 14. So x square is equal to 14 into 14 upon 2. 2 sevens are 14. And we get 7. 14 into 7. 7 fours are 28. 2 carry, 7 ones are 7 plus 2, 9. So 98 centimeters square is the area of the given square. Easy that? So this was the easiest question. Metal wire is bent in the form of an equilateral triangle which encloses the area of 484 root 3 centimeters square. So let the sides of this equilateral triangle be AAA. And we know that root 3 by 4a square is the area of equilateral triangle, which is 484 root 3. This root 3 gets cancelled from this side. So you get a square is equal to 484 into 4. So a is equal to root of 484 into 4. So root of 484 is 22 and root of 4 is 2. So 22 times 2, this is 44 is the side. 44 centimeter we get the side. And then the same wire is bent. So we have perimeter of the equilateral triangle is same as the circumference of a circle. So you have 2 pi r is equal to perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3 times 44. So let us solve this. You get 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 3 times 44. So you get r is equal to 3 times 44 into 7 upon 2 times 22. 22 2s are 2 and 2 got cancelled. 7 3s are 21 centimeter is the radius of this circle. So you got the radius of the circle. Now let us find the area of circle. So area is pi r square, which is 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. 7 3s are 21. 22 times 3 is 66. 66 times 7 is 1386 centimeters square is the area of the circle. So we completed with this exercise, children. So if you like the video, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.